and await keywords. With async keyword, you can make a function return a promise. For example, here's some function is return some value. And after writing async keyword before the function declaration, it started return a promise instead of 300. So, previously without async keyword it was return normal value, but now it will start returning a promise including the previous returning value. This was due to async keyword. Now we will know about await keyword. The await keyword is used to pause execution flow. It will stop execution for all next lines of code and wait for a promise to get it resolved and return some value. Only after the promise returns some value, then execution of next lines will start. Let's see how it works. It will return a promise giving value 100. Let's put await keyword before the call of sum function. You can see that now sum function is returning value 100 directly without any promise. It happened due to async keyword. Async keyword paused the execution flow and waited till the promise value of sum function is resolved. And if we remove the async keyword, it will again starts returning promise as value. The concept of async, await, is very useful in scenarios like where we want to wait for the HTTP response until we get the data from API. And we have to take care of one thing, that async keyword must be only used inside the async function or top level of module, otherwise it will throw error. Like this video if you find this tutorial helpful. And subscribe this channel for next upcoming JavaScript tutorials on important topics. See you in next video.